Okay, we're making Rice Krispy Treats right now. Our stuff is over there. Okay, so first we're gonna do the butter that my mom already melted in the pan first, right?
Yep. Yep, butter first and then the marshmallows.
Okay, butter. Okay, almost all of them?
Yep, all of them. So that is a quarter of a cup. You gotta melt it first though. You're supposed to melt it in the pan, but I usually do that first. So
we wait.
You have to keep stirring it. You do not want those marshmallows to burn. So just keep stirring it in there. It doesn't have to be stirred a lot, but keep stirring that.
We have the pot on like low heat, I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, low heat.
Yeah, keep talking. I mean, talk about anything, it doesn't really matter. Talk about soccer, talk about track and field, something. Well, you have to talk about something.
We're just gonna mix it for now.
Okay.
Marshmallow. It looks like clouds on the screen.
Yeah?
Yeah. They're melting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're not melting.
Well,
yet.
they will melt. You don't want the heat up too much because you don't want to burn them.
They're definitely melting a little. Not a lot.
Rice Krispy Treat, but in our own way. In Gavin's way. Because Gavin's
They're
making them.
melty.
Okay, keep melting them.
They're definitely melting.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, they're definitely melting. They're gooey now.
Yep.
Gooey.
They are. So all you have to do, Gavin, is just make sure that you don't see any more of the fluffiness from them and it looks like cream, like marshmallow cream. I don't know why. Why can't you add marshmallow cream to this? Is there something inside there that doesn't allow you to
Why
add
can't
them?
you just use marshmallow fluff?
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. Why do you have to go to all this trouble on melting the marshmallows? Unless there might be something in the marshmallow fluff that you were not supposed to use. You know?
Something very scientific.
I don't know.
Classified.
That is starting to look really good. They are almost melted. Yep, almost. Yep, you can actually see them going through the spoon. Don't mumps it like that.
Almost done.
Almost
It's
done.
only like maybe 6 clumps.
Good. It does take a while, but are they done?
Yeah.
All right, take them off the heat.
Okay, so now we're gonna do like the Rice Krispies, the vanilla, and put the marshmallow stuff in. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon vanilla. So, hold on, it's one of these.
Over the thing. Good. All right. So put that in, and then your peanut butter.
Oh yeah, we're also doing a peanut butter. So we're
Peanut butter.
using a spatula to get it up.
Yeah.
I can't get all the peanut butter out.
Yes, you can. You can just put it. Okay. That's okay.
There.
Oh, no. Hold on. It's okay. I gotcha this time. All right. So, and then your marshmallow mixture.
Oh yeah, the marshmallow. I thought it was the Rice Krispie thing.
No, marshmallow mixture first.
So like liquidy?
Yeah. Go ahead and get all of that into there. You need me to hold the pan?
I can hold it up.
Okay. So put all of that into there. No, don't do it that way because there's holes in the thing.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. So make sure you get all of that marshmallow goodness out of the pan. There you go. Okay, now we are actually going to use
That?
this again.
Yeah, that's
Make
what I was
sure.
expecting us to use for that.
Yeah, make sure we get it all out. So you can go ahead and hold that, and I'll hold the pan one more time.
Okay, now we're gonna use the like plastic thing.
Spatula.
Plastic spatula.
Yeah, we gotta get
Oh,
all
wiper.
of this. Yeah, the wiper. Nice.
Super.
But you might just want to use the spoon when you gotta mix this all together, though, instead of this.
I'm trying to do it in.
Okay. That's okay. All right. So now Rice Krispies inside.
Now we are gonna do the Rice Krispies. We're using a punch bowl. Oh, that's a lot more. Squish, squish, squish.
No, you're actually going to be using this spoon. All right, there you go.
Dance.
All right, mix it up. Mix it up. You don't want to squish them, you need to mix them.
But it's so easy to smush them.
I know. So just get down below and bring all that sweet marshmallowy goodness to the top. Yep. It all has to look like that. So make sure you get down below and bring all that marshmallow. I know, it's okay.
Now
Okay.
we're gonna put the
bowl up. There you go. I just need this. And you should be doing this from the other bowl. It's okay. That way everybody could have seen what you were doing. It's fine. Okay.
Oh.
So, just spread that around using that. Where did I do that?
What's gonna?
I don't know if you really want to mix it around. That's what I'm saying. So, we'll just go like this. Yep. Make sure there is no Rice Krispy Treat that is not covered with chocolate.
Dump them.
No, you can't dump it because you don't want to touch them. So, nice, really nice. Okay. So, we're actually just gonna we're gonna press these down a little bit. It does not have to be that close. We missed some. We missed some. Right there. Oh, we missed some right there. Nope. Not anymore. You are completely covered with chocolate. Alright. All set. Fridge. About 2 hours. Rice Krispy Treats. You're not gonna. Fridge. Not freezer.
Oh. Okay, bye-bye.